Hey guys, good morning. So, welcome to my vlog. Come join me in my daily activities. So, currently, ayan, so naglilinis ako. Ang dami kong mga PR packages, mga kalat na hindi ko pa naaayos. So, finally, tapos na ako maglinis. So, now, I'll be preparing naman to go to the grocery. So, get ready with me. So, hopefully, this vlog, mag-continue na siya kasi I love doing videos, I love editing, I love, basically, the whole concept of vlogging, I love it. I love how it makes me calm when I'm editing videos. Pero, yan, kahit medyo camera shy ako and currently, I'm still adjusting talking to the camera. Then, I wanna stick with my core, which is the reason behind or the reason why nag-start din ako mag-vlog. Number one, syempre, is to keep memories. So, I wanna keep on keeping memories, syempre. Even though, sa totoo lang, even though wala namang nanonood minsan sa mga vlogs ko, I'm okay with it because I am not pressured to do it. Kasi it takes a lot of courage to do vlogging, number one. Hopefully, mag-continue yung pag-vlogging ko. Yun lang. So, bibihis lang ako. Then, let's go to the grocery. Cheers! Ice cream. We're having cold brew. Wait. Wait. Thank you. Hindi mo sinabi ko yung may surprise. Parang na video ko. Sa video. Nagulat ako kay Kuya. So, for the last one, let's try this blade. So, let's try this kasi first time ko lang din pagtatry nung automatic na spray. Yan siya. Then, ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-automatic diffuser. Okay, yung Sakura and Water Lily. So, bubuksan mo lang kung ganyan. Lalagay mo lang siya sa loob. Tada! And then, you can set yung timer. Ay, okay, nakita nyo automatic. Kita nyo automatic. Wait nga, lagay natin. Merong 9, 18, and 36 minutes. So, lagay natin sa 36. So, yan na siya. You can put it anywhere sa room. Oh, yan. So, I'm gonna put it over here. Para malapit sa bed. Yan siya. So, nice. Get ready with me. So, magpe-prepare lang ako kasi I have work later. Pero maaga pa naman. So, dadaan muna ako sa coffee shop. Kasi mag-e-edit muna ako para matapos ko na yung mga video vlogs ko. Ina-edit ko yung video namin ng family sa Boracay. So, part 1 and part 2. So, I'm already in my part 2. Kasi pag nandito ako, hindi ako nakakapag-edit kasi nakakatamad yung vibe. So, I need to go out. Ayan. For my moisturizer, nag-lotion lang ako. Then, for my moisturizer, same thing nung dinala ko sa Boracay, yung Pulpic. So, this is a new product. In fairness naman, sobrang ganda niya. So, ito yung Seal It Up Multi-Peptide Water Cream. Very nice packaging. Nice color. Very nice packaging. Actually, number 1, yung packaging yung nag-hook ng attention ko dyan sa product na yan. Then, fairness naman din. Ang ganda din niya sa face. I've been using it since nung nakuha ko siya. So, nakuha ko siya sa isa sa mga event ng TikTok. Then, parang 1 month na yun. Then, up until now, I'm still using it. And, Popik, baka naman, paubos na yung akin. So, again, this is from Popik. I don't know, Popik, yan. So, I'll be using this. So, usually, what I do, para maging tinted sunscreen yung mga ganitong sunscreen, I usually apply additional sunscreen. So, yung mga, yan. So, this one is from Dio Pros, which it has mataas din naman na SPF 50+, PA+++++. Pero, again, mas gusto ko siyang mini-mix. Saka hindi, parang mas nagiging sheer din kasi yung finish niya. Yan lang. Yan, medyo dewy-dewy lang yung finish niya. So, actually, that's it. Tapos, mag-a-add lang ako ng powder then. Yan, nagpo-moisturizer ako lagi ngayon. Kasi kung makikita nyo, medyo may pagkatan yung skin ko pa as of now. Kasi, fresh from Boracay Glow. So, yan, okay na yan. Para very natural lang. Then, minsan nag-a-add lang ako ng color sa eyes ko. So, ito, it's been with me for a while. So, yung BYS na matte. Ayan. So, usually, ginagamit ko lang tong shade na to. Tapos, naglalagay lang ako ng onti sa eyes ko. Yung binili ko sa ano. Medyo nakakagulat lang siya. Ilang beses na ako nadadali niya. So, anyway, going back. So, this is my BYS matte. So, ito yung usual shade na ginagamit ko for my eyes. Para may konting color lang. Then, for my powder, ayan, Easy, in the shade Bisque. So, usually, yung T-zone ko lang para hindi siya oily. So, yan lang. Boy makeup lang. Very cutesy lang. Very natural and very natural lang. Then, so, mahilig ako sa mga facial mist. Madami ako mga facial mist dito na lagi kong ina-apply. And this one is my favorite. Pero, paubos na siya. And medyo expensive siya. So, I always use this sa mga special occasions, mga events, ganyan. Pero pag ganitong mga pang everyday work lang, which is I do everyday, ito lang lagi kong ina-apply. So, it was gifted to me by a friend. So, yan. Very generous amount. Patuyin lang natin siya. So, lastly, I'll be spraying this Dazzle Me Get a Grip Matte Fix. So this one is super affordable pero super long lasting. Then, patuyin lang natin. I think, yan. Here's the look. Very natural, very healthy looking, very no makeup look. I'm good to go. So, magbibihis lang ako. Wait lang. Here's my outfit for today. Yes. Ang angle. Wait lang. So, para mas maganda yung angle. Let's go!